This is a 2005 Nissan Frontier King Cab, four-wheel drive, 118,000 miles. Super clean, rust-free, Carfax certified. Like all of our vehicles, 125-point pre-owned inspection was completed on this. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Sliding rear window, bed liner, tow package, LE model. Extremely clean truck. You'd never guess this was a 2005. The tires are in good condition. Running boards. And yes, this is the four-wheel drive. It's 110 degrees here today, so. Okay, cloth seats.
Superhero backpack, but next year it'll be something else. Maybe
Automatic transmission, aftermarket Pioneer radio with Bluetooth and hands-free, four-wheel drive. There's a remote for the radio. 118,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control.
I do have a favorite child. Things you missed when you were tired finally reveal themselves.
Very clean.
Just said the baby was cute.
It's the actually really seriously.
So, once again, 2005 Nissan Frontier King Cab, four-door, 4x4, 118,000 miles, in just wonderful condition. Perfect vehicle for student in a great price range.